Chris is here with us today. He came 9 months ago. Let's see. Let me show you how he was. 43 years old. So we restored this frontal area and the deep temples that he had, and we created this result at 9 months. Thin hair, short hair, which I don't really agree with. But the interesting thing, one of the interesting things that I can tell you about Chris is that he is the lighting technician, lighting technician, director, president, and all this on many Hollywood productions and also Netflix productions, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. So, this is his result. Even with short hair, you can see how the hair blends perfectly with the rest of his hair. He's not using finasteride, he's only on Minoxidil. Let's see his donor area. On the donor area, you cannot see any spots of surgery. And also here, the hair that we transplanted on these two areas blend perfectly with the rest of his hair. Even though I would prefer his hair to be a bit longer, probably next time he's gonna do it. Any advice, any feedback on your experience and on your journey?
I'm very happy for the result.
What do people tell you? What do people comment on your result?
They tell me that I changed something on me, but they didn't understand what.
What do you think that they don't realize what you changed, that you had a head transplantation?
Because it's very natural. They didn't understand. What I changed.
They didn't see the difference. Yeah. Thank you for the trust, and I hope you will enjoy the hair for the rest of your days.
Thank you very much.